Alright guys, today we're going to be giving the chickens some mealworms. We already made it out here, but we have to get to the run first. Everyone's following us, just like Marcus Drew.
Like I can team up, I just got me a beamer. Used to ride his steamers, I'm hot as jalapenos. I'm selling out arenas. They say he entertain us, and if you try to tame us, I bet we leave stained up. Whole lot of sticks in the house, it's a gun show. We just gonna wet like a motherfucking pump show. I don't think none of y'all niggas won't come. So I'm sick against this shit, I'm gon' blow. Whole lot of shot when it come out the break. Chop a nigga up, then put him in the lake. Shots in a nigga, they call me a snake. Ay, fuck all that, just shoot him in the face. In the hit and fire, he was dead by 6. Got shot 7 times, but the 8 shot me. 9 shots in the clip, could've sworn it was 10. If I was 12, I was 11 again. I need me a trophy to